Okay guys, so thank you for the purchase of the Rolex wall clock. So if you guys have encountered the problem where this second hand has been blocked, alright, so I'm going to show you how to fix it because the needle is actually slightly crooked. So remove your batteries and you can see there's 4 screws, so you just unscrew 4 of it. Okay, after you remove 4 screws, you can actually just pull this out. And from here you can see there's 4 fastener. Okay, it's very simple. Just press and can you remove it. Okay, after you remove it, you can actually remove the whole clock. Okay, so from here you can see there's some sponge to actually fix it in place. Okay. You can turn over. Okay, from here you can actually see, okay, this needle is actually touching. Okay, just pull up slightly. Okay, then you can have the clock turning as usual. Okay, when you test it, it's okay. Then remove the battery and then you place it back. So make sure that the glass is balanced and then you slide it back. Okay, once you slide it back, hold it and then make a turn to make sure that the dial is correct. Okay, so make sure the dial is correct and then you put back the fastener. Okay, pull down and you lock. So after you've done the fastener, and then you can actually screw back the panel. Okay, double check again so to see the alignment of the dial is correct. Once it's okay, then you can put back the screw. So as usual, screw back, simple. And once it's all done, and it's good to go.